Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever thought to start a YouTube channel but felt like you don't have time, you don't have good equipments, or you don't have courage to show your face? Well, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I have shared 14 faceless YouTube channels you can start today. And it requires zero effort, no time, no face and no voice. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So stick around and I'll show you how you can make money from it. So subscribe fast, and also don't forget that in this video I'm going to share some AI tools and websites, apps which are going to make your work very simple, easy and efficient. So don't worry, I'm with you and let's get started. Niche number 1 is color mixing and satisfying art. If you love blending color, then this niche is for you. Channels like Jinro, Satisfying Art and Sarksh Khan have mastered this niche by creating vibrant and satisfying color mixes. People love watching paint blend seamlessly together. It's just so relaxing and requires no narration. Plus, once you have built a routine for mixing colors, it's a straightforward way to create content. Niche number 2 is lightning effect with the help of lighter. Next is the lighter. Here, what you have to do is you have to use different type of lighter and then you have to create some mesmerizing lightning effects. Channels like Luke's Lighter have tapped into this and they are creating amazing lightning and mesmerizing effect. It's simple and satisfying and easy to create. You can use tools like Lumen 5 and iMovie for all your editing related issues. Niche number 3 is miniature food and cooking. People love tiny things. It's fascinating to watch miniature cooking videos. And it requires zero talking. Channels like Miniature Cooking Official create a tiny food items and cook them in a tiny kitchens. It's fun, engaging and perfect for anyone who loves working with their hands. You can use Adobe Spark for your video editing. Niche number 4 is decorating dolls. Next is we have an incredibly fun and creative niche, decorating dolls. This involves dressing up dolls in unique outfits, customizing their features or even giving them entire makeover. It's an artistic and satisfying process and people love to watch these transformations unfold. Channels like Arimaldo and Hello Cute Toys show how to decorate dolls in a way that are visually appealing and intriguing. Niche number 5 is marble rhythm. If you're looking for fun and effortless ways to grow your YouTube videos, then you must try marble rhythm. It is a very simple and addictive game where you have to control the marbles and you have to match the marbles with the rhythm of the music. The best part is you don't have to show your face. All you have to do is you have to download this application and then you have to play and then you have to record everything and upload it to your YouTube channel. You can use AZ Screen Recorder for recording all your gameplay and you can use Canva for designing. Also, you can use many other tools like CapCut and InShoot for commentary. Niche number 6 is breaking glass. This niche is something very amazing. This niche involves breaking and melting glass in slow motion. It's mesmerizing to watch. People can't get enough of it. There are already successful channels like Break and Burn, Splash Avalanche, both of which have millions of views just from breaking glass into a slow motion videos. Niche number 7 is decorating dummy hairstyle. This niche is extremely creative and fun. If you have ever watched videos where people style mannequins and wig heads with decorative hairstyles, you know how captivating and satisfying they can be. Channels like Arimaldo and Hello Cute Toys have mastered this by showcasing everything from simple hairdos to complex trendy styles. Niche number 8 is origami. The next niche on our list is origami, the ancient Japanese art of paper folding. This niche is perfect for those who love creating beautiful, intricate design with just a piece of paper. And of course, no need to show your face or speak. Origami videos are visually captivating and can draw in an audience that appreciate both the calmness and creativity that comes with watching these art forms unfold. Niche number 6 is Facts AI. The next exciting niche is Facts AI, a perfect option for those who want to create informative, engaging and fact-based content without even showing their face or using their voice. In this niche, you can use AI to create videos featuring interesting facts about various topics like history, science, technology or pop culture. These videos are educational, appeal to viewers who love learning new things. Niche number 10 is art. This is one of the most timeless and engaging niche on YouTube. Creating art, whether it's drawing, painting, crafting, it's always captivating, and there are tons of Faceless channels doing well in this space. You can create stunning visual and artistic piece all without speaking or showing your face, letting the artwork itself be the focus. Niche number 11 is Fire Hot. Next up is Fire Hot, a fascinating niche that combines the element of fire with extreme destruction. Channels like Lucan Pavidor have found huge success by simply filming fire and intense destruction that follows. It's visually dramatic, satisfying and draws in viewers who are fascinated by fire. The power of fire is mesmerizing, and this content is perfect for people who want to feel the suspense and destruction happening in front of them. Filmora AI and KineMaster can surely help in this. Niche number 12 is shredding objects. Now let's talk about something where audience engagement is very huge. Channels like Power Vision, The Grateful Shred have gained a following by shredding all sort of items. It's surprising, therapeutic to watch, and it doesn't require any commentary. For effect transition and video creation, you can use Magisto. Niche number 13 is hydraulic press videos. You have probably seen videos where people use a hydraulic press to crush things. Channels like Best Hydraulic Press have made a name for themselves in this niche by crushing everything from toys to metal objects. It's simple yet engaging. It's so satisfying to see things crushed under intense pressure. This niche will work for anyone who can get access to a hydraulic press and loves destruction. Niche number 14 is bamboo craft and DIY projects. Now let's talk about bamboo craft, a surprisingly satisfying niche that involves crafting and building projects from bamboo. Channels like Bamboo Idea showcase how bamboo can use to create furniture, toys, and even home decor. The slow, calming process of creating with bamboo is appealing. Plus, DIY and eco-friendly content always attract attention. So that's it. Here I have shared 14 Faceless YouTube channel niches you can try, where it requires no effort, no time, and even you don't have to say a word and you don't have to show your face. Just follow the tips and use AI tools. Now, let me know in the comment section below which niche are you going to try. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you, and I will meet you in next video. Bye-bye.